Good morning, everyone, and happy Thursday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. We just have one more workday until the Christmas weekend, and even better, today is supposed to be a snow day where I am, so this Canadian might actually get her white winter, which I am very excited about. Keep in mind that the stock market is closed on Monday the 26th. Now this morning, we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget to download the TipRanks mobile app if you want to access the wisdom of over 8,000 Wall Street analysts on the go. Links will be in the description down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures have slipped into the red this morning. Right now, Dow futures are down 0.23%, S&P 500 futures down 0.24%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.33%. Netflix has made a proposal to buy a mega parcel in New Jersey for $55 million to build a new state-of-the-art production facility. They plan to build one of the largest fully integrated production facilities in the world on a former military base, looking to dedicate 300 acres of the former Fort Monmouth to film and production. They said that they will invest upwards of $850 million to create a facility with 12 sound stages, ancillary production spaces, and backlots similar in size and scope to their New Mexico studio. The company said they have at least 18 months before closing on the property and starting construction. Analysts currently rate the Netflix stock a moderate buy with a slight upside of 1.6%. Moderna is finalizing a strategic partnership with the UK government to establish a new research, development, and manufacturing facility in the country. Their 10-year strategic partnership is expected to provide the UK public with response capabilities to ensure future preparedness in light of the recent pandemic. Construction is expected to commence in early 2023, and their facility is expected to become operational by 2025. Wall Street analysts currently rate the Moderna stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 4.5%. And Lion Electric has completed production of their very first lithium-ion battery pack. Their COO said that the production of our first battery pack out of our Quebec battery facility is an important step for Lion and should over time bring with it a new level of optimization for product design and production efficiency. These first batteries produced at the Mirabel facility will power the Lion 5 truck and Lion ambulance, which are expected to reach commercial production in the first half of 2023. Analysts currently rate the Lion Electric stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 70%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. Not much happening in the after hours today for earnings, but this morning we have heard from CarMax. Their stock is dropping down nearly 14% after the company had a big miss on earnings. CarMax saw their total retail used units sold decrease by over 20%. This led to the Q3 earnings per share of 24 cents. That was 41 cents shy of analyst estimates. Meanwhile, their revenue of $6.5 billion fell by over 23% year over year and was $680 million shy of estimates. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 28%. Then last night we heard from Micron Technology. Their stock is down but just a couple percent after missing on both earnings and revenue. The company also announced that it'll be cutting its workforce by 10%. They reported a Q1 loss per share of 4 cents, which was 2 cents wider than analyst estimates, and revenue of $4.09 billion was down nearly 47% year to date and 50 million shy of estimates. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 25%, and we've had a lot of very different price targets come in over the last day. Now let's take a look at which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Alvotech after the FDA responded to one of their applications. Trading under the ticker ALVO, the stock is up nearly 23%. They're followed by SciPlay under SCPL, up 6.6%, and Mirati Therapeutics under MRTX, up 6%. And our biggest losers this morning are led by Transportadora de Gas del Sur. They seem to be cooling off from gains earlier this week. Trading under the ticker TGS, the stock is currently down over 14%. They're followed by CarMax under KMX, down 13.9%, and Penske Automotive Group under PAG, down 5.5%. So that is going to be everything for Thursday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. I hope you guys are all ready for the holidays. Don't put off any last minute shopping anymore. I had to go to Walmart yesterday and it was a zoo, so get it done. It's not going to get any better. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of today's video, say good morning in the comments. I always love hearing from you. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.